Dear friends, welcome to our World Meditation Day meditation. Thank you for gifting yourself this precious time to pause, breathe, and reconnect. May this practice bring peace to your mind, calm to your body, love to your heart, and harmony to your spirit, creating ripples of kindness and compassion throughout our world. Please sit in a comfortable position with an elongated spine. Place your feet firmly on the floor so you can feel the connection with Mother Earth. Allow the palms of your hands to relax on your thighs or in your lap, wherever's comfortable. So it's an energetic gesture to receive energy to the universe. Close down your beautiful eyes and allow your gaze within. Take a soft, deep, comfortable breath in through your nose and out through your nose. As you breathe in your mind say, I'm breathing in divine love. I'm breathing out divine love. Once more, breathing in divine love. And as you breathe out, let go of all that no longer serves you. Today, on this World Meditation Day, we gift ourselves this sacred moment to pause, to breathe, and to simply be. In a world that moves so quickly, meditation invites us home to ourselves, supporting our mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being, helping us to find calm within, no matter what is happening in the outside world, so we can create more peace and harmony around us. Even one conscious breath taken in a stressful moment can begin to shift our energy, our thoughts, our nervous system, and reconnect us back to the present moment. So please allow your body to begin to relax. Give yourself permission to relax, relax, relax. Soften your face, unclench your jaw, part your lips slightly to let go of all the tension you may be storing. Drop your shoulders. Relax your arms, your hands, your chest and belly. Relax your hips, your legs, your feet. Feel your whole body becoming happy, healthy, relaxed, supported and at ease as the weight drops away. Now gently bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change it. No need to force it. Just simply observe it. Notice the gentle and natural rhythm of your breath, the flow of life moving through you. With every inhale, you receive divine love, and with every exhale, simply release, let go of all that no longer serves you. Let go of any tension, worry, and heaviness. Just let it melt away with each out breath. Now bring your awareness to your heart space. Place your left hand softly over your heart, if this feels right. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. This is your center, your home, your truth, your essence. Now imagine a soft, warm light glowing in your heart. A beautiful light of pure love. With every breath, the light begins to expand. See it filling your heart, your chest, your entire body, every cell and atom, and even the fine strands of your DNA. Feel your mind relaxing and your heart and mind coming into harmony, in coherence, in peace. You are calm, you are aligned, you are love. Now allow this loving energy to grow stronger, rising, expanding, radiating once more through every cell and atom, throughout your entire being. Feel your vibration lifting higher, lighter, clearer. You are pure love. You are peace. You are harmony. Now gently expand this energy beyond your body into the space around you, into your home, your community. See it flowing across the world, connecting hearts, uniting souls. We're all one. We're all connected. We all come from the same divine source, created from love, connected through love, here to share love, to be love. Feel that truth deeply now. Let it anchor within you. Now, as you begin to return to the present moment, gently bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your body, and quietly ask yourself, what is one simple thing I can do today to share love, kindness, compassion, and peace? Trust what comes to you. And if you don't hear anything, just make it up and carry this intention with you as you move about your day, as you connect with others, as you contribute to community, to unity, to peace. Take one final breath in and slowly exhale. And when you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Softly open your beautiful eyes and bring in with you this feeling of love, peace, and harmony. And know that just one conscious breath will bring you back to this state. Thank you. I love you. And you're welcome to come back to this meditation anytime.